Hi, welcome again. We have liftoff, as they say. So we have a system that's actually working. We have learned Control F, make it a little bit bigger. I just thought I was an Openbox. My right mouse click is not working, but I'm on I3. So when I go back to Openbox, that was what I was thinking. So logout, Eric, an L for logout. So let's go back here. There are two things to be created. Let's look at the papers. An ArcoLinux config extended, Calamares has been created, and there's the menu. Maybe we could do another menu. It's just a thought, doesn't need to be a thought. The wallpaper. I hate the wallpaper. Still don't know where nitrogen is. Is nitrogen at all here somewhere? Did we install it? No. Don't tell me we didn't install it. Oh yeah, let's take a look at in the meantime as well all the applications that we don't want. Concrete toggle is in here. That's strange. So he finds our desktop file and he is using it, but Super C is the one we want, of course, Super C. And Control Alt page up, page down. Everything is not going to look awesome in the sense that some of these guys are just great on XFCE, depending what you run. Let's end with a nice one, so we can look at a nice one. Whatever. Okay. So what things can we get rid of? This is essential. Aha. So that's one of the things that I hate. I don't want this. You see sometimes in distros that it's then you say, let's open the terminal. The first time it doesn't know it, right? Okay, solution is Control F. Let's get that in because I hate that when that happens. Oh my god, there's so much open. Let's close some stuff. The reason why that's happening is because we omitted a package and I wanted to learn, so I'm learning that again, maybe just for this little file that we have, we should just activate it. So the local there is this one, that one. Right, it's this one. ArcoLinux local XFCE git is the one we've omitted. So let's do that again. ArcoLinux local git. No, XFCE git for no prompt in Openbox choice terminal. All right. Bye. That's gone as well. So we won't see that anymore. In the meantime, Control T sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux local XFCE for git. NSCal, oops, not yet. NSCal. So that would be solved next time. File manager, tuner. Okay, opening up. Control F, making it bigger. If it doesn't respond to again a Control F, I dislike the conky. Super C, get rid of the conky altogether. Web browsers. So all these settings have not been set. So that's our configuration, right? Okay, now it's set. File manager. Oh, maybe the best thing to do now is Control C, Control V. We're already a little bit late, so we changed already some settings we want to know, of course, what do we need in our .config. So let's do something strange for you guys. Config, delete. The config is gone. Ctrl T, scale, super X, log out, log back in. The config we're having now is again a version config, right? Well, blank will come maybe, but it'll probably come down here again. So the terminal, that's okay. We'll fix that. That's okay. Web browser. Here we go. So the settings are again gone. Now the settings are there again. I'm gonna change this little guy as well. So for the future, if you're gonna pop up, I want you to pop on the left and do an icon zoom and take a nicer color. Well, why not that one? Okay. So that's already set. Application Finder, Archive, bulk rename, Conky toggle, Conky zen, quantum blank, screen keys there now, screenshots. Maybe we can add screen key as well to the list. I'll think about that. So screen key written down. Variety. We do need something to write our ISOs with always. Melt and Sublime text. So the only text editor I have is Sublime text. Okay. Question mark. Atom. The one out, the other in. I don't know. We'll see. I think I'm gonna keeping it. This will not do anything. These are the choices you have. And this one is going to, we chose that one already. Settings, ad block. So we can actually do our ad block. That's great. That's a new thing that we've done day or two ago. That's the web page. It's working. Good, working. Bulk rename, Conky toggle, we've seen that. I wonder if I did everything right. Seems so. That's online. I was looking here. I jumped this one. Okay, software update. Oh yeah, we don't have polybar yet. So Openbox polybar. Polybar. Task manager, termite, USB, XF terminal, Conky zen is working. Ta-da! Okay. Okay, the Conkeys and the rest is also working. Preferences. Choose wallpaper. Oh yeah, true. I call this choose wallpaper instead of nitrogen. Pfft. Okay, fine. Yep, you tend to forget these things. Alex appearance. Now we're gonna change some stuff. Arc dark is okay. Color icon theme. Let's go for something frivolous. Serve an arc. Mouse cursor is already the one I want. Font, okay. Apply. So that's one thing. This will need to adjust. Adjust yourself. I'll come later. So remember, Eric, you skipped that one. No, we did not. We were doing that one. That's all checked. That's all checked. So the software update, I was thinking of that. So that's Spamac. Actually, nice look. Display the key bindings. OP generator. Yep, pulse. We can generate a pipe menu with icons. Let's see. I thought as much. So if you want to have icons, we need to do something. Yep. Well, people may want icons, right? So extended Openbox. In Openbox it's working. So that's always the assumption, is you have to compare always. So check what is the difference. Why is it not working? It's working on that one, so why is it not working here? That's the only thing you need to do. And what did we throw out? This one, GTK2 Perl. Save. This one, close. Sudo pacman -sgtk2 Perl. Yep, a lot of things. Right mouse click. Woohoo, there they are. So that's solved. This is how I figured it all out in the past, right? But in the meantime, it's just gone, that knowledge. It's just in scripts, all the knowledge. So for me, again, it's, oh yeah, oh, true. So, don't like it, hate it, but it's tested. Better, much better. Still not the proper icons though. So preferences, the wallpaper is done, that's done. XFCE settings, don't forget those. This is Openbox, you need to set both of them. Icons, Sardi Arc, that's not true. It should be Surf and Arc everywhere. And there you go. Ba -ba -ba. And that one as well. Yes, that is all surfing. I don't know why it's so lame in size. Such a lame size. This guy does not tile. Why is it not tiling? That's a good question, right? Ah, okay. My mistake. Wrong keyboard shortcut. So I'm pressing super and then the separate number keypad 7, 8, 9, 6, 3, 2, 1, 4, 5. 7. Okay. It's looking better-ish, right? Preferences. I guess we need to do something. Well, not at this point in time, but reboot or anything, and then blank will be in order. I know he's a little bit stubborn that way. Okay. Where were we? Aha. The menu. So we need to make a menu anyway, because Tint2 is out. Okay, we need to make a new menu, so that can be another video. This needs to go. This works. All right, let's continue. I'm getting phone calls, so it will be a little bit well interrupted, and sometimes I will not know where was I like now. I hope everything. This is not gonna work. Genie. Genie is not installed anymore. That's the reason why Genie was in there. In the menus. Now we can make it ourselves easy and just install Genie and be done with it. So I don't know where we were. Let's see. This one is that one. The icons are all set. That's okay. This is the one you need to set, right? Mail reader, that's not important. Tuner, file, termite, that's okay. That's all set. I think that's all. So this one, that one, printing, that one, compositor. Well, you can enable it, but you know the drill. The virtual box, it doesn't really like transparency. So There's no difference. Enable. So Genie in, probably easiest way, right? Now the G menu editor is not working either, so that's OB menu 3. I don't want it, I don't need it. I'm just rather put it in, go right inside the file itself. This, nah, that's something you need. ubconf. ubconf is something you need. So you're in. That's needed as well. Where is my push screen? I can't push anymore. I guess not. Needs to be in. Like so. And then we go for, well, Control T, super return, super enter, everything working. Sudo pacman minus -sobconf. Go for it. So next time you build an ISO, that's in, and that will provide this one. Huh? Okay, took a bit longer, much better. You can change all these things. All right. Talking about things, well, the polybar. Another video? No, another video. So that's done. That's Genie. Let's put Genie in Eric. Key bindings, OP key. Well, are we gonna make another menu? The way I see it, the minimal menu is minimal. I mean, these three can go, yeah. But then this takes a long time to find where is my browser again, and where is this, where is that. It's actually quite minimal. The only thing I need to do is add some applications to it. I can't reinvent things, but the tin2 needs to go anyway. So yeah, let's make a new one. So the key bindings, OB key needs to go out as well. Compositor, I think we are there. Look, this one is new. This one, I don't want that one. And that's called OB menu 3 out. And all the tin2 we have already a tin2 somewhere. Yep, we have it. So stays in. Genie will be added. This goes, this stays in, this goes, this goes, this goes, this stays. Lock screen is working, lock screen is working. Okay, fine. So this is our setting. Let's make a new package, the configuration package, afterwards, and the video, and we'll compare these two, and that's going to be our configuration.